police lights.
Loud sirens.
Your heart is fast.
Your English disappears.
What do you say now?
Stay here. These words can help you in real life.
Hello everyone, welcome back.
This is Real English for Real Life.
Today we learn what to say to police in an emergency.
Simple English, short sentences.
This is for A1 to B2 learners.
Watch, listen, and repeat with us.
First, relax.
Take one deep breath.
Simple English is okay.
Safety is more important than grammar.
Police stop you.
Be polite. Be calm.
Say, "Hello, officer."
Or say, "Yes, officer."
Repeat after me.
Hello, officer.
Again.
Hello, officer.
True or false?
You need long sentences.
False. Short is better. Police speak fast.
That's normal.
Say, "Sorry, I don't understand."
Or, please speak slowly.
Repeat.
I don't understand.
Please speak slowly. This sentence helps a lot.
Use it anytime.
Say, "English is not my first language."
Or, my English is not very good.
Repeat together.
English is not my first language.
A student was stopped at night.
He was very scared.
He said nothing.
Police were confused.
Next time, he used this sentence.
Police spoke slowly. Everything was calm.
Police may ask questions.
Answer simply.
My name is.
Here is my ID.
I don't have it with me. Repeat.
Here is my ID.
I don't have it with me. Which is better?
I no have ID.
Or, I don't have it with me.
Second one.
Now a real emergency.
You need help.
Say, I need help.
Or, there is an emergency.
Then say what happened.
Someone is hurt.
There is a fire.
I was robbed.
Repeat loudly.
I need help.
Again.
I need help.
Police ask, what happened?
Use simple words.
I saw a man.
He ran away.
He had a black jacket.
It happened 5 minutes ago.
Repeat.
He ran away.
Fill the gap.
I blank a loud noise.
Heard. Good job. This part is important.
Say how you feel.
I am scared.
I don't feel safe.
Please help me. A woman felt unsafe at night.
She saw police.
She said one sentence.
I don't feel safe.
Police helped immediately. I am police.
You are you.
Hello.
Hello, officer.
Do you understand?
Please speak slowly.
Perfect. Don't argue.
Don't joke.
Don't use hard slang.
Keep it simple.
Today, you learned real emergency English.
English you can use in real life.
These sentences are simple.
These sentences are powerful.
You are learning English that matters.
English for safety and confidence.
If this helped you, subscribe.
We make simple English videos like this.
Comment below.
Which sentence will you remember?
Next video, what to say to doctors in emergency English.
See you next time. Stay safe.